about the replication controller, okay, and replica set. Now see, let's say you have these two worker nodes and this is a master node. Here now, by default, you can deploy pods, okay, but if that pod will go down, okay, what will happen? And now let's say you want to create, let's say 10 different replicas over your cluster for a single pod. Then for that you can use replication controller or replica set. Clear? Now, and one more thing, nowadays the replication controller is not used anywhere, so we can skip this topic. Clear? We can directly talk about replica set. Now see what replica set is doing. Okay, let me give you a very simple YAML over here. Okay, let me like give you an explanation on that. Replica set YAML. Okay, and that's it. Now that is the YAML file. Copy it. Let me paste over here rc.yaml, and now it is something like, I really hate it. Just a second. Copy, I paste. Why it is being commented? Okay, I have the YAML over here. Now see, first thing is replica set is the group of new API group which was launched after the Kubernetes, I think 1.17 or 1.16. So the API group is apps/v1. Now the kind is replica set. Metadata, we are defining the name of the replica set, which is called as grass RS, grass replica set. We are creating it in the namespace grass. Replicas I am giving 5. Okay, let's say you want to give 6, you can give it. Okay, now selector and the label. Right now you can ignore this, guys. Okay, I will tell you just after 10 minutes. In the specification, I have defined my containers, that what containers I need in a pod. Okay, so below the template, you actually are writing the information about the pod. So what is the name of the pod? Grass pod. What is the label on that pod? This is the label on that pod. What is the container should be there in the pod? Name is this, image is this, container port is this. Now, let me create it. kubectl apply -f rs.yaml, and let me open one more window. Just a second. Duplicate session root. I need to copy the password. Paste. Let me do one thing. Let me run watch. Let me do one thing. Yes. Watch kubectl get pods -n grass -o white. Right now there is no pod which is running. Okay, let me do, or let me like write kubectl get all.
We created a new namespace called grass, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Now I'm doing apply command. See. Okay. kubectl create namespace grass, and now apply it. Now see. At the moment I have run this command, 6 pods are automatically getting created. And the replica set is getting created. Now this replica set is having the desired status as what? 6. It is maintaining the current state as 6. Ready are 6. Containers, how many containers are there inside the pods? One container. What is the image they are using? Nginx. Okay. And they are running on node 1, node 1, node 2, node 2, node 1, node 1. I can see the IP and I can curl the IP. It is replying. Okay, obvious welcome to Nginx is coming. I can curl it. It is working fine. Now see, as you know that with the help of replica set, you can create multiple replicas. If you want to scale it, you can use kubectl scale rs means replica set, the name of the rs. How many replicas you want? I want 2 replicas. One which namespace? Grass namespace. See, it is terminating 4 pods automatically. Now only 2 is running over here. Clear? If I want replicas 8, then I can scale it. This is a manual scaling. 8 pods will be running over my cluster on node 1, node 2. Okay.
Okay. So on the particular replica set, the desired is 8, current is 8, ready is 8. So it should be updated, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Now if you will try to remove a pod, kubectl delete pod. Let me try to remove this pod by any reason. Automatically it will create one more pod. So it will always maintain the 8 desired state. Okay. Got it?
Because of that, we have given the replica set is equal to replica is equal to 8, right?
8. Yes, it will always maintain. Now let's say in the meantime at night 2 a.m. the node 1 crashed. Then automatically 8 replicas will be created on node 1. Got it? Or another node. Got it?
Can you do one thing? Can you make the YAML file from that one container? kubectl that get pod dash dash YAML. वो क्या होता है कमांड? हाँ, kubectl
get
pod, कोई भी एक pod ले लेते हैं and dash dash हाँ YAML, right?
pod.yaml.
Yes. Can you not found get namespace, right? Yes. इसमें replica set value 5 होनी 8 होनी चाहिए इसके अंदर.
This is the pod YAML now. This is not the replica set YAML.
Okay, so that replica set YAML
replica set YAML is this now. Replicas are 6.
Okay.
Okay, but this is a YAML file. Okay, if you will describe your replica right now, kubectl describe. Okay, replica set, because that was the YAML now. The things are actually getting changed in the.
Just run the get replica set. Get replica set set dash namespace gas, right? So okay, the one replica set is running and where we defined as a desired as a 8 and current is 8.
Yeah.
And ready is 8. Okay. So just we need to see this YAML by extracting this by get rs data YAML, right? So
yes.
Fine. Got it.
You can describe also. You can describe this.
Yes, describe, right? Namespace, right?
Now see how many replicas are there?
Right, 8. Fine, got it. Got it.
Got it. Now see. Now let's say. Let's say this is a namespace, guys. Okay. In this namespace, I want to deploy an application, so I have created RS. Now, in the RS, I have given replicas is equal to 4. Automatically, it will create 4 pods, right? Now, my question is how the replica set knows that one pod went down. If I am deleting this pod, how the replica set will be aware about this? Because there are multiple pods are running inside your cluster, right? Maybe inside this namespace you have one more replica set. Can be possible, and you are running replicas is equal to 6 over here. It is for the MySQL and it is for the Nginx. Okay, and maybe 6 replicas are running over here also. Now, how the replica set will know that this particular pod has been down and it automatically creates one? How? So that is actually done with the help of label and selector. We always apply a label on these like app:env. Okay, app:env, app:env, app:env. And we are giving a selector in this replica set. App:env. It will always keep looking for the pods inside your cluster which are having app:env. If the number of the pods which are having label as app:env is equal to 4, then it will do nothing. If the number of the pods inside your whole cluster which are having app:env label is 3, then it will see that the desired state is 4, but the actual state is what? 3. It will automatically create one more pod. Got it? Now, if this replica set is 4, I cannot create any pod with app:env. It will delete that automatically because it will only maintain 4, not more than 4, not less than 4. Got it, guys?
Yes.
This is how it works.
So
Got it?
you are saying that that we need, while creating a pod, we need to set the label is mandatory to
Selector.
maintain the
Yes.
And select.
right.
Okay.
Right. I'm audible, Kaushal.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So the label is mandatory, right?
Label and the selector is mandatory. Otherwise, how the replica set will know about what pod has gone down?
What is the difference between label and selector?
Selector is used to filter out the pods. Okay.
Okay. So selector will use the label option to filter out, right? We can say
To
like
filter
that.
out that is there 4 pods are running which are having app:env. Got it?
Can you go that particular YAML which is showing that we can describe you later with that?
Yeah. See.
So
In the label, what label I am applying on the pod? App::test.
okay.
And what selector I am using over here?
App test.
App test. I cannot change this. If I will do one and if I will create, it will give me errors. Okay.
So selector should be
Same
match labels.
as the
Okay,
label
match
on the
labels
pod.
match. So label should be same, right?
Yes.
Okay. Metadata label we are giving the app test. So its selector should on the selector will do the on the label basis. Is there any other option we can selector do other parameter, not
No.
the label?
Only label.
Only label is the option, right?
Yes. Okay.
So on hardware level, we also using the label to
Filter
spot
out the nodes.
Correct. Okay.
And on the pods also you are using labels to filter out the pods. Clear?
Okay, fine. Got it.
Yeah. Now, that's it. So this is about the replica set. Okay. Now, how you can scale it, how you can delete it, how you can like scale down, everything I have mentioned. Clear? Now, after that, now one thing is important to understand over here. Let's say your client wants to deploy an application. Okay. The application name is web server. The image will be nginx 1.14. Okay. And replicas should be 10. Clear? That's it. So what you will do? Obviously, you will create a replica set. Very simple. And you will define replicas is equal to 10. Got it? Very simple. And what this replica set will do? It will create 10 pods for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Got it? These 10 pods are running over here. And this replica set is also running, which is maintaining the desired state of these 10 pods. If anyone will go down, it will automatically create a new one. Okay? Because we have set the desired state. Now, let's say the customer is connecting to these pods. Okay? He is receiving the website. Yeah. Now, let's say after 15 days, the client has a new requirement. Update the image version from 1.14 to latest. Here. How will you do it? This is what? This is called a rolling update, right? If you want to update something, what does it mean? Rolling update. How will you do it? I don't want my customers to not visit any website or while hitting the website. Clear? How will I do it? First, I will create one replica set, right guys? Yes or no? In that, I will give the replicas is equal to 10. Here, the image is using as Nginx 1.14. Here, I will give the image as Nginx latest. Okay. And then these pods will be created over here also. But how will you distribute the traffic? How will you redirect the traffic from these 10 pods to these newly created 10 pods? Because I want my customer to see a new feature on the website, which is actually updated in the latest image of Nginx. How will I do it?
Basically, you want to shift the traffic from
these pods to these pods.
Okay. So once I will create the new pod, we can know new pod, right? So these pod will be deleted. This is the way, I think.
Yeah. So see, this all operation is a manual operation. Okay.
Right.
Now, what you will do? You will do some configuration to redirect the traffic to these newly pods. After that, you need to delete these, and you need to delete this also. Clear? Now, let's say in meantime, while you are actually redirecting the traffic from these pods to these pods, for a 2 second, let's say 1,000 customers has visited the website. Obviously, they will have nothing on the website. Clear? Because it takes some time. Got it? It takes some time to distribute the traffic. Okay, you need to change the IPs and everything. Clear? Now, for this, we have a very good concept, which is deployment.
Deployment set. Okay.
Deployment, not deployment set.
Okay.
That is daemon set. Now, in the deployment, actually, I will give my replicas is equal to 10. In the deployment, I will define two definitions. One is for RS, one is for pod. In the RS, what you define? Obvious, the definition of the pod, right? So I will not directly create the replica set. I will actually create the deployment, and the deployment will create the replica set for me and the pods for me. Now in this deployment, I have given Nginx 1.14. Okay. Now how it actually works, let me tell you. When you are telling your deployment to go from Nginx 1.14 to Nginx latest, okay, what it will do? It will automatically create a new replica set for you. You do not need to create it manually, okay? And it will automatically set the image as Nginx latest, and it will automatically set the replicas as equal to 10 now. After that, what it will do? First, it will create two new pods, okay, with the new image, and it will delete these two pods. Clear? And it will forward the traffic on these 8 pods and these 2 new pods which are newly created. Now some customers can see the old website, some customers can see the new website. Clear? After that, it will automatically create 2 more pods and it will delete these 2 pods. Clear? Now if there are 10 customers, 6 customers are having the replies from these pods, 6 customers are having the reply from these pods. After that, it will automatically create 2 more and it will delete this 2. Okay. After that, it will automatically create 2 more and it will delete these 2. Okay. And at last, it will create 2 more pods and it will delete the pods. But it will not delete the replica set. Clear? That will be available. Got it, guys? So all the traffic has been shifted in a very beautiful manner to these new pods. Clear? Now, in the future, let's say the Nginx latest has some bug. You want to roll back. You can tell deployment to undo the things. It will automatically create 2 more pods, will delete these 2 and will distribute the traffic on these 2 newly created pods. And same thing will done over here. So anytime you can roll back, anytime you can do rolling update, everything will be done by the deployment. And in a typical production environment, we always start with deployment. We never create replica set by ourselves. We always create the deployment. Got it? Now how it is created? Very simple. Have you got the concept, guys?
You can see the example, then I think we'll get something.
Yeah. I'm telling you the example right now. Just a second. So let the website now. This is the YAML file. Let me copy it. Now, ETL delete namespace. Let me delete the namespace grass. Terminating. Dap.yaml I placed. Now see, this is the deployment. What is the name of the deployment? Nginx deployment. What is the label? This is the label. Now this is not needed right now here. Replicas I want 20. Okay. Now for this practical, I think I can give you a better approach. Just a second. And let me decrease the font size so you can see it very beautifully. Yeah, that would be fine. Now I'm giving the replicas as 20. Match label is Nginx, label is Nginx. So this is the specification of the pod and the replica set. Clear? Now I'm using a Nginx 1.14 image. Let me create it in a namespace grass. kubectl apply -app dap.yaml. So see, at the moment you will enter, obviously all the pods will be created. No, 20 pods are running over here. Clear? Let me give you the output without -oy. Now see, 20 pods are running over here. Obviously deployment has been created, replica set has been created. Now, if I want to do,
replica set has been automatically created by deployment.
Yes. Okay. Now, if I want to do a rolling update, kubectl set image. Okay. What is the name of my deployment? Nginx-deployment. Okay. What I want to change? I want to change the Nginx image to Nginx latest. Got it?
Okay.
And right now, there is one very important point. If you have run this command, then nothing will be recorded. You will not be able to roll back. But if you want to record this operation, you can use --record operation. Clear? So this complete operation will be recorded and a ID or a revision will be given to that. Okay.
Recorded means everything will be logs has been saved, right? Is it? Is it
Yes.
means
And whenever you want, you can roll back. Okay. To that state. Clear? Got it?
let's try see so
Yeah.
we will get the more understanding.
And now see, at the moment I'm running this command,
Main space clears. Okay.
container are creating, two are terminating, creating, terminating. Okay.
So deployment set 20 up to date or desired 20 ready 20. Okay. But the two replica set will be there, right?
One replica set will not be deleted. Okay. This is desired is 20. Okay.
Right.
If you want to roll back, kubectl rollout status hyphen and grass. Okay. Or let me do one thing, rollout history and what deployment, nginx deployment. Okay. Just a second. This has been saved, guys, as revision number 2, right? Now, anytime I can undo it. kubectl rollout undo deployment nginx hyphen deployment hyphen and grass. Rolled back. Now see 15 and see 6 are desired, 3 are deleted and last 2 are deleted and 0. Now the 20 is deleted and the replicas has been 20. Got it? Clear? Now, if I have done this operation without record option, I'm doing it without record operation right now. Okay. Now see, in the rollout history, you do not have any recorded operation. Clear?
But the revision is
Yeah, revision will be changed. Only 2 revision it will show you. Number will be changed actually. Okay.
so
For
okay.
that, I actually need to change the image from 1.14 to 1.17, 1.17 to 1. Latest. Got it?
नहीं एक मिनट when you run the command that history, so what is that last command? Is this last command run just below one? This is the same, right? This
Yes.
upper one.
Okay. Let me give you a more specific example. Just give me a second. Let me create the deployment from a new YAML.
You have deleted. Can we deploy from the that whatever the recorded that we have recorded? So can we record from that deploy again? Is it possible?
No, is it not possible?
We have to deploy from our YAML only, whatever we have. Okay.
Apply, created. Now I'm changing the image from Nginx 1.14 to Nginx. Let me search some image for Nginx. Just a second. One point, yeah, 1.17 we can do. So I'm setting it from 1.14 to 1.17. Okay. And I am recording this operation. Got it? Now, While going from 1.17 to 1.18, I'm not recording this. Got it?
Right.
kubectl. Now see, in both the commands, what is the image name?
1.17, but we get.
It has not recorded the operation 1.18. Now, if I want to go back to that 1.18, then I will not be able to.
Me,
Right?
my confusion is why it's showing two version of that one same image, because we run it one time. That is my confusion only.
No, no. Okay. Like, yeah, there is no answer from me also on this.
Okay.
I don't know why it is showing 2. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Let me go from 1.18 to 1.19. Okay, and let me record this operation. Now you see 1.17, 1.19. Now I don't know how to go back to 1.18, right?
Got it.
Clear? So now if I want to go on the revision number 2, I can use kubectl.
Deployment,
No,
rollback, undo.
not I think not undo. Okay, I think undo deployment
Revision.
nginx hyphen deployment hyphen or I think there is option hyphen to hyphen revision equal to 2 hyphen and grass. Done. Okay.
Okay.
So you can define a revision. Now see 4 replica set has been there now.
So one is 1.4, another is 1.17, 18, and 19. Correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Now see at one time how many containers it will delete means how many pods it will delete and at
Okay.
one time how many pods it will create.
One query for 1.18, we have not recorded anything, right? But we have the
I will not
replica.
have any information.
We have the replica set. From that we can deploy.
No, you cannot do rollback actually. Okay, again you need to run this command set image 1.18.
No. Okay.
But I cannot use rollback command. Okay, because I don't have any history. No.
Got it. Okay. Fine.
Now, after that, now let's say how many pods can be created at once and how many pods can be deleted at once. What I want, let's say I have 100 pods. Okay. Now what I want at one time, I only want to delete 10 pods. But I want to create 20 pods. Got it? Now, for that,
I'm not getting that part. Sorry, Kaushal. 100, 20, and 10. I'm not able to get that part.
I'm saying that let's say you are having 100 pods, okay? And at one time, I only want to delete
Ashish, can you go on mute?
20 pods, and at one time, I want to create 25 pods. Got it? So let's say you have 100 pods. Now you want your deployment to do a rolling update in a way that first it will delete 10 pods and will create 25 pods. Okay. Now,
Okay. So you are describing whatever the doing the rollback or everything in that scenario. How many pods are creating in this one time, or how many deleted at one time,
yeah,
right?
because see, if the ratio of the deletion is 100%, then your application will go down instantly.
Correct.
I don't want that. Clear?
That's fine. That's
Maybe some new pods takes 5 minutes to getting created. Clear?
understand. Completely understand.
I'm doing a graph. I'm just setting up the rolling update strategies over here. Now see. Maximum surge means how many pods can be created at once. So I want 50% pods to be created once, or let's say 100%. But maximum unavailable can be only 5%. So at a single time, it will create 20 pods. Got it? But it will remove five pods one by one. Got it?
Okay, so that file is belongs to which file? Can you show which one?
Deployment.
Added deployment.ng. Okay. That deployment file particularly.
Now, let me do a rollout.
Rollout, undo.
Now see, 100% pods will be created. Okay. At the moment, I will enter it. Creating. And only one is terminating. Now these are terminating. Got it? Now all are terminating. I cannot run 100 pods right now because my cluster will be down. Okay.
Understand.
I can like use a 50% ratio also. Clear? So maximum surge means how many pods can be created at one time, and maximum unavailable means how many pods can be deleted at once. Okay. Now, if I will as 1% and maximum unavailable means 100%. At the same time, all the pods will be deleted and your application will go down because the new pods can take time to get created. Got it?
Right.
They need to download images and everything. Now, again, I'm doing undo. See, all are terminated. And I don't want this behavior now because some new pods can take time to get created. Got it?
Right.
So this is all about the
You are
deployment.
running every time that rollout. So we are not giving any revision. So but on latest revision that
Undo just one back, just one back.
Okay, so they whatever we have 1.19 or 18, 1.19, so it's going rolling on that particular, right?
Yes.
Okay. Every time it's going to the last recorded session, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
After that, you have a new concept of daemon set. Now see what exactly daemon set it. Now let's say you have 6 different worker nodes inside your cluster.
So one more question. So in production level, we are never creating a replica set. So only
We always create deployment.
deployment, right? So only replica set will be we're creating on the just on the test level or something, right? Something.
Yes. Just to understand actually what is happening behind the deployment.
Okay, got it.
And a lot of people actually do not teach replica set and pods.
Okay.
But at that time, you will not have any complete understanding of the backend. Got it?
Right question.
Now, what is daemon set? Now you have a use case. You want to make sure that one pod of my monitoring should run on each worker node in my cluster every time. If any worker node is added, automatically the monitoring pod should be created there. You cannot manage with replicas because let's say today you are having 6 worker nodes, you will give the replicas is equal to 6. But what scheduler can do? Scheduler can place 2 pods on the same node, right? Right? Hello.
Sorry, come again the use case. If my 6 worker node is there, right?
Yes.
So let's suppose my Apache 6 pod is running, so it should be landed on the separate 6 each computer, each worker node, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's suppose my another worker node is added, right?
Automatically a pod will be created there.
If I have no requirement, why should be added? I'm not understanding. In any
No. Let's say you want a pod to be running on each of the worker node inside your cluster. Now, let's say today you are having 6 worker nodes and you have given the replicas as 6. Is
Okay.
there any surety that 6 pod will be created on separate node? There is no surety because scheduler can run 2 pods on one worker node, right?
Okay.
But
Okay.
what I want 1 pod on each worker node.
Okay, so that particular label will not work if we using the node level label, then it will
Node level cannot work now because
so it will
different
put
worker nodes have different labels.
okay, so it will put two pods on the same worker node as well in that scenario.
Yes. So in the daemon set, the replica is equal to the number of worker nodes. Got it?
Daemon set is a replica.
If there are 6 worker nodes, 6 pods will be created on each worker node. If one node is added, automatically 1 pod will be created on that worker node also. Okay.
Okay, let's see the example so we get the more understanding.
Yeah, let me give you a picture over here. Now see, kubectl get all, or let's say get pods -o y -n cube -system. Now tell me, these kube proxy pods are running on node 2 master node 1. Let's say in the future you are adding 2 more nodes. Automatically this kube proxy should be created there, right? And automatically this weave pod should be created there, right? So
Kubeproxy is the mandatory container should be run on all the
worker nodes inside your cluster. So for that, for the kube proxy also what we have created, daemon set, and for the weavenet also what we have created, daemon set. So daemon set will actually make sure that the pod is running on all the worker nodes. Got it? Inside your cluster.
Okay. So
set, what you actually need to do in the deployment, you just need to write a daemon set over here, and you just need to remove the replicas because the replica is equal to the number of worker nodes, right?
Right.
Now see, kubectl, and let me just delete a deployment first. Now kubectl -f dep.yaml kubectl get pods -n grass -o y. See, 2 pods are automatically running on node 1 and node 2. If in the future you are adding one more node, automatically daemon set will create 1 pod on that node. Got it?
That is not a best practice because my in big cluster like for 80 to 100 computes, so we cannot use this daemon set, right?
Why I cannot use that? Tell me, this weave pod should be present on a worker node or not?
No, I'm thinking of from the application perspective, not as that.
Yeah. From the application perspective, daemon set is not used actually. Okay.
Right. I'm thinking
because it will create 80 pods on 80 worker nodes, right?
Right. That is not a requirement from the application perspective, no?
Yeah. But let's say you want to run a application, okay, which will collect the logs from the worker node and will send to it over the mail. Okay.
Like use cases that you shown that the kubectl proxy should be done on the all computes. That is the use case, one of that. And another is that you want to send the usage of that particular worker node report, something, fetch the report for and to send to the all the to send to the some main collector node. These some of these use case the daemon set will come in picture, not for the actual application or as a user, correct?
Yeah. Yes.
Got it. Can you please that particular kube proxy put it get it out in extracted in the YAML? Can we see that?
What in the daemon set?
Just extract the YAML file of that particular kubectl proxy.
Okay.
That then.
Of the daemon set, right?
I want to just see the YAML file of that kubectl proxy. What exactly what information is the daemon set information is there, or what?
But you want to see that what information is available in the kube proxy?
Right.
Okay, then we can describe it now.
Okay, we can describe our YAML.
This is kube proxy. These are the labels. This is the IP. Okay, daemon set controlled by the daemon set.
That is why I think can you extract in the YAML file, so what we see you can update it that in the what section you have changed from the daemon change to daemon set something. I need to see this one.
You want me to extract the file for pod or the daemon set?
For the daemon set.
This is the file.
Okay, the kind we changed the kind for daemon set. Okay. The API version is going to be one kube proxy. Available is going to be proxy.
This is the information.
Okay.
About the containers. Okay.
Right.
Kube proxy version 1.18. Got it?
Got it.
Now. Okay. Now, that's it for today. I think it is enough. Don't you think so?
Thank you. So what is the tomorrow plan?
Tomorrow plan, I'm just thinking to teach you secrets.